Sparky Adventures here. Today we have to do our makeup challenge. Zachary is gonna do a makeup to his mommy.
And then she has to do it to me.
Yes.
And she can't give me any instructions, and we didn't really practice this.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be using this thing a lot because it's comfortable.
So I'm not gonna say something what you're gonna do next.
Yep.
It's
okay.
gonna be do your own, right?
So,
Okay,
so I'm
now
gonna start off with whatever this is.
now Zachary's gonna start to mommy now.
Whoa.
Let's blush on.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
Look at your hair. Blush. Oh, it's so pretty. Also, Mom can't look at the camera. Oh,
I
so
think you have to do up from
so pretty,
up,
Mom.
from down to up, Zach.
Mom's so pretty so far, guys. Her blushes are so pretty. I'm still working on them, though. Okay, now those are some prize-winning blushes. If you're wondering, I'm actually a professional thing. She's looking pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna start using the lipstick.
Lipstick
Which one
or
do you prefer?
I'll do this one.
Okay.
I like that color.
So this
What color
is
is
the color
that?
my mom picked. It's like a black, lavender color. So pretty. This is the funniest challenge ever.
Oh my gosh. A lot of extra.
Mom looking pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna do whatever this is. It goes on your eyes. My mom would look good with a kind of nice color. If I can figure out how to open this. My mom looking pretty. I got it.
You have to put it in my eyes over here, oh, right here.
Okay. You're not supposed to give me instructions.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm assuming that you need a lot.
Now over money, Zachary. Get here.
Oh yeah. I'm not done yet though.
You have to make it darker.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it looking good now? It helps me to look beautiful
Yeah.
or look uglier more.
You're looking beautiful.
Is it? Where did you put it? It's supposed to be under here, not in my eyebrow. Oh, come on. Oh, sige. Come on.
Okay. So
Sige.
next we're gonna do blue under where we're actually supposed to put it.
Okay, oh, sige.
Okay, looking beautiful. Not done yet. Looking hot. Okay.
Okay, it looks funny.
Let me try to fix your lipstick.
Okay.
Just keep your mouth closed.
Okay.
Your lips.
Not too thick, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay, are you gonna put something in my eyelash?
Mascara.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure how to even use this.
You have to shake it first.
Shake, 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 shake.
Okay. And don't just hit in my eyebrow, okay?
Close your eyes.
Ay, kampat. Don't make it kampat. You know what this kampat means? Mess. Don't make a mess.
Smells like Sharpie, guys.
So don't make it kampat mess, okay?
I may make a compote mess.
Okay. Just
Keep
the
your eyes
eyelash.
closed. Keep your eyes closed.
No, it has to be open so I can look up.
Pop. Looks pretty.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's it, Zach?
Yep.
OMG!
Wait. I still have more makeup to put on you.
Like what?
I don't know where this goes, but I'm gonna do it with no tips.
You make me like a clown.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, and I am look like a clown.
No, you're looking good.
Clown mommy, poor mommy.
Mommy.
So that's enough?
Yep.
Now it's my turn to you.
Yeah.
Yes, now it's my turn to
For
my
revenge.
little boy. This is only a challenge for my little boy.
Okay, Mom knows actually how to do.
Alright, now I have to start this one. Pahamis sa imong nauna. Say it, pahamis.
Ow, you choked me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to go from down to top. Flat.
How my bush is looking, guys.
See? Okay, let's put in your by your. Alright.
These aren't even blushes anymore.
Okay. Now, let's see, make lipstick like this.
I want to do different
What
lipstick.
color you want? This one? I can put this one too.
That's not lipstick. I know what lipstick I want.
This one, this color?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me see your lips. Like this. See, look.
I see nothing.
Okay, let's put the darker. Like this now. See, you have a kissable lips now. It's a glittering. So, we have to put this one for your side of your lips. See your lips?
What?
It has shape on it. You think so?
That shape looks so weird.
The shape of like a lips kissable lips. Okay, now we have to use your green for your eyebrow. I use the Maybelline. I'm gonna show you guys the Maybelline. Okay, look. I use this one, guys, Maybelline.
There's something stuck in my.
Alright. Okay, now, what's next?
My mascara.
Your mascara.
Obviously, I need mascara.
Okay,
Really
open your eyes like this. Open your eyes like this. Open, look up at the ceiling. Bill, we have to do this one first, Bill.
Okay,
Wait.
I'm
Wow.
Kim Kardashian.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
No.
Look up in the ceiling so we
I'm
can.
scared I'm gonna go legally
No,
blind.
I'm not. Okay. Don't blink your eyes. Okay.
Kim Kardashian.
Are you Kim Kardashian now? That's your. Do you like her?
Why is my lip so lopsided? This part's so lopsided. I look like that one YouTuber.
Which one? What's her name?
From that one picture, it's like I forgot, but
Okay. Well, we have to put some more of your.
you need more.
For your cheeks, so they will be more glossy.
Can you put some purple?
Purple?
Yeah, purple.
All right. You have to put in here so your nose will be
Purple.
look to more
Purple.
long nose you have.
I have a small nose, ahem. I know. It looks like I'm a Pokemon that has poison.
Oh, look like you are
A Pokemon that had poison.
no.
Yeah, that's what happens when a Pokemon has poison. Their nose turns. Okay, now I'm really getting poisoned. What is this supposed to?
So that your cheeks will look colorful. It's supposed to be, see?
Supposed to.
I have to make it even, babe. Make it even. Wow, it's so very cute.
Are we gonna wash this off or?
Yeah. Alright, I think that's it. So hopefully guys, you have fun of our makeup challenge. It is only for fun. Do you like your face? Have a makeup on it?
Yeah.
So do you want to be a girl?
No.
No? Which one do you want? Girl or boy?
Boy.
Which one do you like? Barbie or gun?
Gun.
A toy gun, the Nerf gun.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, what you say to our viewers?
I'm Miranda Springs, here and out. Bye.
Alright guys, thank you for stand up here. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.